Hello class. Now let us see this fifth question. Find the value of x if 3x plus y minus y and 2y minus x 3 is equals to 1 2 minus 5 3. So again we know that these two matrices are equal. So we say that by equality of matrices. Equality of matrices, this first term 3x plus y, it is going to be equal to 1. This minus y is going to be equal to 2. This 2y minus x is going to be equal to minus 5. This is your equation 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Now here 3 is equals to 3, it is already known. Okay, so from equation 2, what we can say that from equation 2 we get y equal to minus 2 and then we put y equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So we can put in 1 or we can put in 3. So when we put in 1 we get 3x plus y. So what is y? Y is minus 2 is equals to 1. So therefore we get 3x is equals to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So therefore we get x is equals to 3 upon 3 is 1. So my final answer is therefore x is equals to 1 and y equal to minus 2. X equal to 1, y equal to minus 2 is the answer, right? Okay, so let us see this sixth question. Now this is sixth question. If x plus 3 4 y minus 4 x plus y, this matrix is equals to 5 4 3 9, then find the value of x and y. Okay, so you tell me by equality of matrix what you will say. Yes, by equality of matrix we can say that this x plus 3 is equals to 5. So from this we get the value of x is equals to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. And then here y minus 4 is given. So we will not use this x plus y. Better this y minus 4 is equals to 3. And from this we will get y equal to 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. And if you check this x plus y, we are getting 9. Okay, here also we are getting 9. So this is the answer by equality of matrix. This is x and this is y. Simple question. Yes. Okay. Now let us see the seventh problem. Question number 7. So here it is seventh problem. Find the value of x, y and z. If x plus 2, 6, 3, 5z, it is equals to minus 5, x plus y, 3 and minus 20. Sorry, it is y square plus y, not x plus y square plus y. So again in solution, as these two matrices are equal, so we say that by equality of matrix, we have this x plus 2 is equals to minus 5. So x plus 2 is equals to minus 5. This will give me minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Then 6 is equals to, okay, 6 before that we have to apply that only. 6 is equals to y square plus y. Okay, so therefore from this we get a quadratic equation that y square plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. If we solve this, we get y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 is equals to 0. So from here we take y common, so it is y plus 3, and here I take minus 2 common, so it is y plus 3. So this implies either y plus 3 is 0 or you get y equal to or y minus 2. Okay, one step I am losing here. This implies that here y plus 3 into y minus 2 is equals to 0. So from here we will get either y plus 3 is 0 or we will get y minus 2 is 0. So this will give us y equal to minus 3, or this will give us y equal to plus 2. So y equal to minus 3 or y equal to plus 2 is the required answer. Now third, 5z is equals to minus 20. 5z is equals to minus 20. So therefore value of z is equals to minus 20 divided by 5 is equals to minus 4. So therefore finally answer is the value of x, we get x minus 5 minus 2. This is the value of x. So x is equals to minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So answer x is equals to minus 7. Y is minus 3 or 2, and z is minus 4. So these are the answers for x, y and z. Now let us see 8th problem. Problem number 8. So here 8th problem is find the value of x, y, a and b. So 4 values we have to identify. So again we compare, or I will say that by equality of matrix. This x minus 2, this first element will be equal to this first element, which is 3. So from here you get the value of x as 3 plus 2, which is 5. Second, y is equals to 1. Directly we get y is equals to 1. Third, a plus 2b is equals to 5, and 3a minus b equal to 1. Okay, let us consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Here we have to solve this linear equation. So we say that multiply equation 2 by 2. We say multiply equation 2 by 2 and add to equation 1. Okay, I don't think that you have any problem in solving these two equations. This is linear equation, and by elimination method we can solve. So here it is, the coefficient of b is 1 and here coefficient of b is 2. So to make the coefficient b as 2, we have multiplied this equation by 2. So my equation here, it is a plus 2b is equals to 5. This is your first equation, and when you multiply equation 2 by 2, you get 6a minus 2b is equals to 2. This is your third equation, you say. Okay, now what you are doing, you are adding it. So 6a plus a, you will get 7a, and here 5 plus 2, you will get 7. So from here we get a is equals to 1, and by putting a is equals to 1 in equation 1, so we will say that put a is equals to 1 in equation 1. So we put a is equals to 1, so it is 1 plus 2b, it is equals to 5. So therefore the value of 2b is equals to 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this gives the value of b as 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 is 2. So therefore I have a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 2. A is 1 and b is 2. Also we got the value of x and y. X is 5 and y is 1. So therefore final answer x, y, a, b. So value of a1, value of b2, value of x and y. X is 5 and y is 1. X is 5. So this is 5 and y is 1. Okay, so this is your 8th problem, and now let us see 9th one. Now here 9th problem is find the value of a, b, c and d if these two matrices are equal. So again compare, we will compare, or I will say that by equality of matrix. A plus b, we will get a plus b equal to 6, 3 equal to D. 3 equal to D means D is equals to 3. So this implies that D is equals to 3. Here we don't know the value of AB, so let us consider that equation 1. 5 plus C is minus 1. So from here we get the value of C as minus 1 minus 5. This is minus 6. And last, A into B, it is given 8. Let us consider this equation 2. Okay, so from equation 1 we have A plus B is 6, and from equation 2 we have A into B is equals to 8. So what we do, we can say that from equation 1 we can find the value of A, which is 6 minus B. Okay, now put this value in equation 2. So put A equal to 6 minus B is equals to A is equals to 6 minus B in equation 2. So here in place of A we put 6 minus B into B is equals to, we get 8. So therefore 6B minus B square, it is 8. So we simplify it, therefore we say that B square, this minus B square I will move on right, B square minus 6B plus 8 is equals to 0. So therefore now by splitting the middle term, 8 can be written as 4 to the 8, so that is minus 4B minus 2B plus 8 is equals to 0. From these two terms we can take B common. So therefore when we take B common, it is B minus 4. From here we take minus 2 common, so again B minus 4, it is equals to 0. So therefore in one bracket I have B minus 4 and in other bracket I have B minus 2, and this is equals to 0. So therefore either B minus 4 is 0 or B minus 2 is 0. So therefore B minus 4 0, it gives me B equal to 4, or B minus 2 is equals to 0, it gives B equal to 2. So now I have two values of B. So when B is equals to 4, A is equals to, the value of A we have taken, A is equals to 6 minus B. So it is A is equals to 6 minus 4, it is equals to 2. And when B is equals to 2, we get A is equals to 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. So therefore value of ABCD, A is equals to 2 or 4, value of B is 4 or 2, value of C when we get value of C and D, value of C we get minus 6 and value of D 3. C minus 6 and D, value of D is 3. So that's all. These are the questions, okay, in your first exercise. Now let us discuss little about what is the second exercise all about. It is operations on matrix. Now operations on matrix, so here we are going to discuss three operations. First we will see addition of two matrix, addition of two matrix. Second we will see subtraction of one matrix from other, and third we will see multiplication of a matrix by a number. Okay, we can say multiplication of matrix by scalar also. So let us first discuss addition of two matrix. So first, addition of two matrix. So suppose I have matrix A. Now for addition and subtraction, okay, the order of matrix should be same. So if A is equals to say 1 2 3 4 and say B is equals to, we have 4 2 1 0, then addition A plus B, then A plus B. Addition of two matrix is first we will write A, which is 1 2 3 4, plus then we will write B, which is 4 2 1 0. Now in addition, what we do, we add the corresponding term. So this first term 1 is added with this first term, which is 4. So 1 plus 4. Similarly, the second term 2, it is added with second term. Third term is added with third term, and this fourth term is added with fourth term. So it is very simple. You have to add the corresponding terms, right? So the final answer will be here. 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, so this is addition. Similarly, you can do subtraction. Say if you have A is equals to 1 6 4 2, and you have B as, say we are taking any of the example, say 1 5 3 0. Okay, then if we want A minus B, then this A minus B will be, A we will write 1 6 4 2, and now we have to subtract 1 5 3 0, this matrix A minus B. So again, from corresponding terms or corresponding elements, like from 1 we will subtract 1, from 6 we subtract 5, so here it is 6, here it is 5, from 4 we subtract 3, and from 2 we subtract 0. If any of the number is negative, if any of the element is negative, then when you subtract, so minus minus it will become plus, so that you have to take care. 1 minus 1 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So this is your answer of subtraction. Similarly, you can multiply any matrix by any number, like A is given like 1 2 7 3, and now if I have to find 5A, 5A means 5 multiplied by A, so it is 5 into A is 1 2 7 3. Now here you have to take care that this 5 is going to be multiplied by each number. So 5 into 1 you will get 5, 5 into 2 you will get 10, 5 into 7 you will get 35, and 5 into 3 you will get 15. So this is the value of 5A. So simple. Now based on these operations, okay, we are going to see our second exercise. Thank you.